Today we're going to talk about dilations and scale factors. Dilation is a form of transformation. Do we remember what transformation we've talked about so far? We've talked about one. See if we remember. I'm recording, I got to put it on here. If we have a graph and I start with the shape over here and it gets moved to over here. What's it called? Not a reflection. Good guess though. Translation, right? We've talked about translations, and that's just sliding with our x's and sliding with our y's. Okay? Today we're going to talk about dilation. What do we think dilation means?
Diluting.
Right, what happens when you go get your eyes dilated?
They get big.
They get big, right? So same thing when we're looking at figures and graphs. Today on your worksheet it has graphs on it. You're going to see whether it's a reduction or an enlargement. What does reduction mean? It gets smaller.
Wait, are we not even doing actual?
What does an enlargement mean?
Bigger.
It gets bigger. Okay? So we are going to look at some graphs and diagrams to see if it gets smaller or it gets bigger. Okay, on A, first we got to decide which one was our original. Do we remember? The one without the symbol. Okay, the one without the symbol is your original. The one with this little prime symbol is your new image. My thing is not working very well. New image. Okay, so if we're going from our original to our new, is that getting bigger or getting smaller? Getting bigger, so what's the vocab term? Enlargement. So all we're doing is deciding if it's an enlargement or a reduction. Looking at B, which one is our original? Blue or red? Blue is our original. Our new is the red because of that little tick mark. So if we're going from blue to red, are we getting bigger or getting smaller? Smaller. So we're doing a reduction. Okay. Any questions on those two vocab terms and what we're looking at, okay? Biggest thing is knowing which one's the original, which one's the new image. Okay, look for those tick marks. That tells you that that's the new image. Okay? This one, we're going to talk about scale factor. Okay, so first, let's decide if it's an enlargement or a reduction. Right, because here's our original. We're going to our new, so this is a reduction. We want to find the scale factor. What was the original length?
3.
3, right? What was our new length?
2.
2. Good. If you're wondering whether it needs to be 2 or 3 on the top, okay, we said reduction, so we're going from bigger to smaller. Okay, and then can we reduce that?
No.
Yeah.
No. Okay, so that's our scale factor, 3 over 2.
The answer?
3 over 2 is the scale factor, yep. Looking at B, first, what do we got to determine?
The
Reduction.
Reduction or enlargement. Which one is our original?
Blue. 3. It's an enlargement.
Yep, it is an enlargement. Now we got to figure out our scale factor. What was our original length? 3. What's our new length? 6. What can I divide by 3? We get 1 over 2. That is our scale factor.
So double in size.
Okay?
That's what I asked.
Any questions so far? Those are the 2 things we're going to look at today.
No.
Okay? Go ahead and try these 3 on your own. State whether it's a reduction or enlargement, and then find the scale factor afterwards. On number 1, which one's our original image? Blue. So are we doing a reduction or an enlargement? Enlargement. Scale factor, what was our original length? 5. New length was 10. What does that reduce down to? 1/2. Good. What about number 2, reduction or enlargement? Reduction. What was our original length? 24, and now it's 8. What does that give us? You get 3, right? Last one, reduction or enlargement? Reduction again. Then what was our original length? 4. New length? 3. And then can we do anything with that one? No. Any questions on dilations and scale factors? Okay.